Okay guys, I'm not going to keep the camera like this all the time. I'm going to pick it up and let you see. But today we have slime. And I'm going to be playing with it. So let's get started, guys. When I take it out, I will change the camera. But you have to see me first. So now you see my slime. Really cool, guys. Actually, look, guys. This is amazing. Sorry for the background. My grandma is on the phone. My little brother is watching cartoons. He's not actually little. Yeah, he really is kind of little. Okay, guys, so here's the container. Here's that lid. Next time